If you're scrolling online looking for that perfect gadget to upgrade your room's aesthetic, you've probably come across the Lumi Space Galaxy Projector from by LumiGalaxyLight.com, a device that claims to turn any room into a cosmic dream with 8,000 high-resolution projections, premium LED lighting, adjustable focus, and a convenient auto shut-off timer. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi fantasy, right? But before you rush to add it to your cart, this review might be the eye-opener you need. The website puts on a very polished front, but once you start digging, things begin to look a little questionable. For starters, there's no About Us section, no background on the company, no physical address, and no team details, which raises immediate concerns about transparency. Then there's the marketing strategy, dramatic claims of 8K visuals, which is quite unrealistic for a device in this price range, especially without any third-party verification or demonstration videos to prove it. They also use fake urgency tactics like countdown timers and only 3 left in stock, messages that reset every time you reload, the page classic pressure selling tricks often used by less credible stores. What's more, there's a total absence of real customer feedback. The site has no embedded reviews, no verified buyer photos, and zero presence on trusted review platforms like Trustpilot. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a scam, but it also doesn't help build trust. It seems like one of those products that might technically work, but may not live up to the hype or quality standards they advertise. So, while it's not our job to tell you what to do with your money, if you're serious about buying, proceed with caution and at least check the product tag in this video for direct access. We're not saying it's a complete ripoff, but it's definitely one of those purchases where you should manage your expectations and do more research before checking out.